Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark, Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a little quick little unboxing little video of a portable motion sensor light. Alright, but you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politic out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. When we get to 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products on here. Alright? Alright. Now we got all that business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright. Today I got a little portable night light slash motion, sensing light or whatever. You probably can barely see it on here. Let me zoom it back out like that, okay. By a company called WITTI. It's the WITTI. Amazing little things. That's their little slogan. The handy portable night light. All right. Let me tell you where you get it from. You get it on Amazon for. Let's see here. You get it on Amazon for $5.18. So not nothing to break the bank. Just is a little something to have around the house. You might want to, you might want to put this in like in a little closet or something like that or whatever. But let me go ahead and open it up, get out of the box. I already tried it out. Let's see, there's nothing really on the box on here, just telling you what you get in here, what have you. And specification 5 watt 1 amp, rated, and it's had a rated 1.2 watt battery capacity, 1800 mAh battery, all that good stuff. So let me just get it out of here. I'll just get it back out of here. I got it stuck in here. I might have to tear the box up. Alright. What else is in the box? Look, I got seen a piece of paper in the box. Come on. You want to come out? We'll tear you up. You want to come out? Tear you up. That's what I'm going to do. Tear you up. Take out that frustration. Alright. There we go. Got it out of the box. I had to take out a little frustration. Every once in a while, just you got to do that. You know what I'm saying? Let's see here. Little instruction and all that, camping life, whatever. Alright, toss that little to the side, put this box in the trash before it starts making the beast come out. Alright, here you go. Little motion sensing light, you know what I'm saying? It's got your LEDs right. Well, I'm getting out of the screen. Got your LEDs right here. Then you can see it on the back. It's got that little branding on the back, and you got your USB. Oh, it came with a cable, and I don't know what I did with the cable, and I think this is the cable right here, because I had been using it. Got carried away tearing up the box, but yeah, I had been using it, so yeah, it comes with a micro USB cable, which plugs in right here, and this slides off, and this is a sticky film, so you can peel this off. It's kind of like a 3M. You can peel this off and stick it to wherever you want to stick it to. You want to, stick it inside of a closet or inside of a cabinet, and have it there, and it'll hang on. It'll slide on like that, and just have it sticking somewhere. However you want to do it. But you also, but you got to take this off. Oh, okay. It's like it's magnetized. So it's magnetized. So it's a magnet, so it's gonna hold pretty good. So there you go. That's pretty decent. I didn't realize that. All right. Yeah. It says it right there. Duh. Says right there. Okay. Here's your switch. You can have it on a solid lamp. Or you can have it on motion sensing. This right here is motion sensing. So if you're walking by, it'll come on and off. So I'm gonna give you a demonstration on that. Alright, and this is your little motion sensor right here. Let me clean that off, wipe that off a little bit. I don't know if there's any plastic on here, but anyway, that's your little motion sensor and light. Real quick, let me cut the lights down real quick so we can give a demonstration of it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Alright, that's as bright as it's gonna get, bright, pretty decent. This will be something to put inside of a closet or inside of a cabinet or something like that, or if you know you out, you know, say you camping or whatever, you know, just a little something to have around handy, you know, in case of emergency. All right, let me go ahead and put the on motion sense, and I'm gonna put it like that. So motion sense, give it a minute for it to go off, so I can demonstrate the motion sensing to it. All right, go shut off any minute now. And I hope I put it on the motion sense. Alright, see it shut off? And watch me move my hand. Bam. Comes on. Motion sensing. Too easy, too simple. That's pretty cool, motion sensing. Like I say, this, oh, I'm blinding everybody like it ain't nothing. Like I say, it's just something pretty simple. $5, $6, you know what I'm saying? It was $5, something saying. You know, pretty simple. Let me read some of the specs on there. It says, portable night light, motion sensing, 6 LED lights on here. Let me cut this bad boy off so when we blinding you, like I said, you can see the light from out on the back of it, or you could, you know, say up front. But you can cut it off. You see that there's your little 6 LEDs right there. Get closer. 2 right there, 2 right there, 1 up top, 1 on the bottom. Too easy. Company called WITTI. Like I said, portable night light, motion sensing, modern wireless night light, sturdy adhesive on the back, stick it anywhere, micro USB, rechargeable battery, detach it for handheld use. So yeah, something just pretty simple. Comes in 2 colors. It comes in white and it comes in black. All right. That's been a quick little review of a portable motion sensor light with a little magnet attachment. Too easy. All right. If you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, notify new videos. Tell a friend, When we get that 2,000 subscribe mark, we're doing some giveaways. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. And the message for today is, look here. When you have bright ideas, or you want to things that you want to do, say you got an idea, you want to have a party, or want to go plan a trip or whatever, before you come up with all these bright ideas, be considerate and take into consideration that everybody is not going to be where you are with that idea. But what I'm trying to say is, when you come up with these ideas, you want to have parties and good stuff like that, be prepared to take care of, to do all the funding and do all the work. Be prepared to put the stuff together yourself instead of expecting everybody else to be on board with your idea, what you want to do. Everybody is not everybody has other things going on, have things going on in their life. They might not be able to or be at that point where they're ready or able to go and do the things that you want to do. Realize sometimes your decisions, your ideas, and your choices affect other people. So when you come up with bright ideas and stuff you want to do, be prepared to go ahead and handle it and get the logistics together and take care of everything. Be prepared to take care of everything yourself, and don't expect others to be on board and able to do, to help you out with stuff. All right. So if you come up with ideas, stuff you want to do, trips, parties, whatever, be prepared to go ahead and take care of yourself. And be prepared to go ahead and put it together yourself, instead of expecting other people to be, oh, everybody want to be on board with what you got going on. All right. I hate to rant and rave, but that's just a message for today. All right. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, and I'm out. Drop the mic.